What's up, YouTube? Lady Wrench Hand. Be sure to check out the description box below for a direct link to my website where you can download a free PDF copy of the questions from this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Now, sit back, relax, and listen to Safety, Ground Ops, and Servicing questions 41 through 60. 41. What position is the propeller while ground running? Full low pitch. 42. Where is the CO2 fire extinguisher pointed to extinguish an engine fire? Into the air intake. 43. What must you do if a fire develops during starting? Continue cranking to start the engine and blow out the fire. 44. When does the starter disengage? When the engine reaches self-sustaining speed. 45. When checking a turboprop engine prior to start, you must check the compressor for what? Free rotation when permitted. 46. What position is the propeller during start and shutdown? Flat pitch. 47. Immediately after an engine starts, check what? The oil pressure indicator. 48. When starting a turbofan engine, what position is the power lever? Idle position. 49. Whose instructions are used for starting an engine? The manufacturer's. 50. On a fixed turbine turboprop engine, where is the propeller connected? To the engine directly. 'Check sumps for what? Water or ice? 52. On a free turbine turboprop engine, what position is the propeller during starting? Feather position. 53. When using an air turbine starter, where may the air be obtained from? The onboard APU, ground air cart, or engine crossbleed. 54. When starting an engine, always observe what? Starter duty cycle, air pressure, and electrical capacity. 55. If the turbine inlet temperature is above manufacturer specifications, do not what? Perform a ground start. 56. If there is no oil pressure indication at 5,000 RPM, discontinue what? The starting sequence. 57. Discontinue the starting sequence if the engine fails to ignite by how many RPMs? (4,500 RPMs) or max motoring RPM. 58. If the propeller fails to stabilize within the specified time, discontinue what? The starting sequence. 59. Before starting an aircraft, what must be cleared of the run-up area? Personnel and loose equipment. 60. Before starting an engine, always check the inlet for what? Condition and the presence of any foreign objects. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.